Hello everyone. In machine learning, today project is forecast the sale of video game prediction. As we know that there are very craze of the video game, so that time we predict the sale value of the video game. First, you will have to install this library PyForest. Now import this library, and this is the data path and data name video game. This data set you can get in Kaggle, my Kaggle account and GitHub account. So this is the data set where is the column name is rank name, platform year, genre, publisher, NA sale, U sale, all these sale, and last one is the global sale. Information it give the is the float type, integer type, object type. So rank is the integer type, name object type. So all these are data types it show. Next is the shape, how many rows and columns are there. So 11th column, and this is the row. The next is statistical value. So df dot describe, where I pass the include equal all. It means that it show you numeric statics value as well as string type value also. If I not give this parameter pass the, so it only show the numeric value mean mode. So you can see that it show the all, take the all 11 values, column value. Next one is the, we check the there is any null value. So there is a only one value, null value is a publisher. This one is the publisher have 36 null value. Now we see by the visualization, using the visualization, how it look if we have null value. So there is, you can see there is a, the hyphen is like a hyphen. This is the publisher, it show the publisher is a one value is a null values. Now we replacing the null values. So there is df, where I pass the column name and dot fill and a method. Then method I pass the f double f fill, f fill, f fill method forward name. Like if there is any, it take the value in before which is used, like this a 3. So it take the after a 3 there is a null value, so it take a 3. So if it fill the value is a 3. So that's why we use the double f. It's working. Now check the value. So you can see there is no any null values. The next one is, again we want to see the heat, using the heat map. It show the line like a hyphen line or no. So you can see that there is no any line after fill the value. So it is the publisher. This is the next is the unique value. Want to see the unique value. This is a df name of the dataset, and platform is the column name and dot unique value. So platform unique values are like this. This is the column value of platform. Now next is the genre. So genre unique value is a like is a shooter miscellaneous, fighting. These all are the name of the game. Sports, action, platform, puzzle, racing. Publisher, same publisher column name. This is all, and count the value, how much publisher published. So elect, so it give the total number of the game. The next one is the group by, df dot group by, using the, where I pass the year column name and then global sale, how much the year wise it show the global sale. The all products, all, sorry, all games are sale. Dot it show the mean value, and I have passed the plot, where is I am using the bar plot, kind equal bar. So this is the output. So there is the 1990 89, the sale ratio is high, and 1994 also. So it give the year wise global sale. The next one is the also distribution plot, where I pass the year, and this is the color name, here is a column name, and then I give the title year wise sale. So you also see this year wise sale. So 2010 is the sale ratio are more, and the growth of the sale is higher. 2010, 2005 to 2010, the sale ratio is very good. Next one is the pair plot, and where I pass the data equal data set name, and then hue I pass the genre. So it will take some time. So this is the output of the pair plot in year wise. So rank, this is the rank plot. The next is the year wise, then NA cell, NA sales, and then is a BU sales. All these it show the pair wise pair plot. Then it also show the color, all the genre, then column values. So you can check it. The next is the count the value of the year wise, how much the year wise value the sale of the game, and using the pie plot. So it show the color 2007 values, game value is very high, also 2010. So there is a very less difference between the color wise. If we see that, it means that that year is the game sales is very less. Next is the drop the value unnecessary column. So there is the name also not necessary column, year, publisher, and platform, and last I place the in place equal to. So df dot drop, and that columns, then I pass the column name. It's working now, check it. So you can see that there is a 11 columns now, 3, 7, remaining 7, 4, these are the 4, and total is 11 columns. Now labor encoding, you can know that changing the category data. So we use the labor encoder. So where I pass the rank and genre. In genre you can see that shooter miscellaneous miscellaneous, so it can change the values using the labor encoder. So it working. Now you can check it should convert into numeric values is 8833. So there is two shooter, so shooter is it replace shooter in 88 and miscellaneous is a cc 33, sorry 33. So like this. Now pass the splitting the data. So first we drop the value is a global sale, and then why I pass the global sale also. So this is the global sale value. The data is training and testing data. It's working. It also working. Now the shape you can see the 1359 extreme dot shape and white train dot shape. So it give the extreme. There is the 6 column and this is the row, and it give the only row value white train. Now we using the linear regression. So from sklearn linear model import linear regression. So import the model. Now create the method. Is it lm? I have take the variable name and then linear regression pass the. Now fit the train and testing data. So it show the linear regression lm dot fit where I pass x train and y train. Now predict the x train data. So I have create the new variable y predict and then method name lm dot predict where I pass the x test data. So you can see it show the 3719 predict the testing data. It show the testing data. Now visualization using the plotting. So plt, there is I'm using the distribution plot. So figure size, this is the figure size, and sns dot distribution plot where I pass the y test and y predict data. Is a y predict which is a variable name and y test data, and color also I have give the color name. So it show this color name red. So you can see this is the global cell and this is the density, how much the density of the global cell. The next is using the mean matrix using the sklearn matrix import mean square error and r2 square error. So where it give the, so it's working mean square which show the which is defined as the mean, or it show the average of the square of or of difference between the actual and estimate value. Mean square means that it is defined as a mean or average of the square value. It show the square value in different between the actual value or the estimate value. So we are using the mean square. And then r2 score, r2 score is show the value how to model predict and the outcome of the dependent variable. R square range is 0 and 1. If range is 1, it means it fit the data. So it's also working. Now where is create the method msc. This is the variable name. I have create variable where I pass the mean square error and then I pass the y test and y predict data which I have create y predict. So it now it print, so it give the square error is 2.69 something. Now R2 is also variable name, and there pass I R2 underscore score, and then same thing is pass y test and y predict and print the data. So you can see that it show the 4 time 9 5 time 9 and 1, it means 99%. Next is using the plot for the visualization how it looked the after predicting. So there I am using sns dot reg, means regression plot. This is the regression plot or method. It is also method used to the plot the data and draw the linear line. That's why we use the regression plot. Or it also use the relationship between independent value or dependent value. So you can see the it show the line. So there is a global sale, and there is a point show the sale. The next module I am using the XGBoost. So import this, it's working. Now create the method where I pass the two parameters. There are a lot of parameters you can pass. So this is the create the variable name, and there I pass XGB regression, and the max depth I have maximum depth is 6 and C equal 0. So it's working. Now fit the X train and Y train. So you can see there is lot of parameters which is XGB regression use. The next is the predict the data. So I have created new variable XGB predict because I am predicting the excess data. So XGB is a method which I have created dot predict, and where I pass the X test now, and also print the XGB pre. So there is it give the after testing data, it's look like this in array form. Now same is the plotting for visualization, and then distribution plot. Same is I'm using the y-test data and also the XGB pre, which I have create this variable, and also pass the color. So this is the green color, it show the green color, and global sale it will like this. Same is the mean values, mean square error, where I pass y test, and this is the predicting variable name, and print this. So it show the 38 4.2 something. The next one is the R2 is score, and same variable I am passing y test and XGB predict. So it show the 90%. In linear regression is 99%. Now plotting the same data, regular regression plot, and where I pass the y test, and this is the variable name also, and color equal to green. So you can see this is the date plotting after testing the data set. So it's look like the like this. So yeah, this is a project about the forecast the sale of the video game prediction. Thank you.